Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
Hi, Olivia. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Thanks. I've been thinking about fashion a lot lately. I really enjoy talking about different styles, colors, and the latest trends. I was wondering what you think about current fashion trends.
That sounds interesting, Olivia. I like fashion too. I have noticed that many people now prefer simple and comfortable clothes. For example, many wear minimal designs with one or two bold accessories. What is your style?
I love a mix of classic and modern styles. I like simple dresses in bright colors like red and blue. Sometimes I add a unique necklace or a stylish bag to make my outfit stand out. I think fashion is all about expressing yourself.
I agree completely. I prefer comfortable clothes like jeans, plain t-shirts, and sometimes a blazer if I need to look neat. I like neutral colors like black, white, and gray, but I also enjoy a splash of color in my accessories.
That is a good balance. I have seen many people on social media who mix simple outfits with bold items. For example, a plain dress with a bright scarf or a hat. It makes the outfit look modern and fresh.
Yes, social media has a big influence on fashion. I often scroll through Instagram for new ideas. I like to follow a few fashion influencers who show different ways to style simple clothes.
Me too. I follow some pages that post daily outfit ideas. They give me inspiration on how to mix and match colors and patterns. Sometimes I try something new that I wouldn't have thought of before.
That's true. I noticed that many stores now focus on sustainable and eco-friendly fashion. It seems like more people care about the environment when choosing their clothes.
Yes, sustainable fashion is becoming very popular. I often look for brands that use organic cotton and recycled materials. I believe that being stylish also means caring for our planet.
I agree, Olivia. I try to shop at stores that have ethical practices. I like a store called EcoWear because they have a nice selection of casual and smart clothing made from eco-friendly fabrics.
That's a great store. I also enjoy shopping at Urban Trend. They have many fashionable items with a modern twist, and I like their simple yet elegant designs.
I have heard good things about Urban Trend. I sometimes visit a store called Chic Boutique as well. They have a mix of classic pieces and modern styles. Their outfits are often in neutral colors with a few bright details.
Yes, I love when a store offers both classic and trendy items. It gives you many options. I also like to shop online sometimes because it is convenient. Many online shops show the latest trends and even offer discounts.
That is true. I use online shopping apps to compare prices and check new collections. I find that online reviews help me decide which items are good quality.
Reviews are very important. They tell you if a piece of clothing fits well, if the fabric is good, and if the style is true to the pictures. I always check a few reviews before I buy something online.
I do the same. I think that being a smart shopper is part of keeping up with fashion trends. It is not only about looking good, but also about getting value for your money.
Exactly. I also try to plan my wardrobe. I look at my closet and decide which items I need to update. Sometimes I even create a mood board with colors and patterns that I like.
That sounds like a fun project. I usually update my wardrobe with a few key pieces each season. I like buying a new accessory or a pair of shoes that matches my style.
Shoes are very important too. A good pair of shoes can change the whole look of an outfit. I often choose shoes in a neutral color so they can match with many different outfits.
I like that idea. I recently bought a pair of white sneakers that go with almost everything. They are comfortable and look modern.
White sneakers are very trendy now. I have seen many people wearing them with dresses and even suits. It shows that fashion is all about versatility.
Yes, and I think trends change slowly. For example, I remember a few years ago, people wore very bright and flashy clothes. Now, the trend is more about minimalism and subtle details.
That is true. I think the minimalist style is very appealing because it is simple and elegant. It shows that you do not need many items to look stylish.
Exactly. However, some people still like bold patterns and bright colors. It is good to have variety. Fashion is personal, and everyone has their own taste.
I agree. I love to see how different people express themselves through fashion. Even if I prefer simple styles, I appreciate the creativity of those who choose bold looks.
Fashion is a form of art, and every person is an artist in their own way. I sometimes try to mix a classic item with a trendy accessory. For instance, I wear a plain t-shirt with a colorful watch.
That is a great idea, Ethan. I often do something similar. I wear a simple dress and add a statement necklace. It is amazing how one accessory can change the whole outfit.
It really is. I believe that the small details make the biggest difference. Whether it is a scarf, a hat, or a pair of shoes, these items show your personal style.
And speaking of personal style, I have been experimenting with different looks recently. I try new colors and patterns, even if they are a little outside my comfort zone.
That is exciting, Olivia. Trying new styles can be fun and refreshing. I sometimes wear a bright tie or a patterned shirt to add some variety to my usual look.
It is all about confidence, isn't it? When you feel good in your clothes, you feel more confident in yourself.
Absolutely. Fashion is not only about trends, but also about expressing who you are. I believe that by choosing clothes that make you happy, you also bring a positive energy to your day.
I completely agree, Ethan. I feel that every outfit I wear tells a little story about my mood and my personality.
And that is what makes fashion so special. It is ever changing, yet it always reflects our inner selves.
Thank you for this lovely conversation, Ethan. Talking about current fashion trends and our personal styles makes me feel inspired to try new things.
Thank you, Olivia. I enjoyed our chat very much. It is always nice to share ideas and learn from each other about fashion and style.
Let's keep in touch and maybe plan a shopping trip together sometime. I'd love to visit some of these stores, like Urban Trend or Chic Boutique with you.
That sounds like a great plan, Olivia. I'll send you some information about new collections I see online, and we can plan a day to shop together.
Perfect. I look forward to our next outing. Have a wonderful day and keep enjoying your personal style, Ethan.
You too, Olivia. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Ethan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.